Hi everyone, this video is on probability models. Manur randomly selects times to walk into a local restaurant to observe the type of music being played. She found that the restaurant was playing country 11 times, rock and roll 17 times, and blues 8 times. Use the observed frequencies to create a probability model for the type of music the restaurant is playing the next time Manur walks in. You can have your answer as fractions or decimals to the nearest hundredth. Alright, so first thing we got to do is we got to add up how many total there are. So that's 11 plus 17 plus 8. So that's 36. So we can leave it as fraction, it said. So country was 11 times out of 36. Rock and roll was 17 times out of 36. And blues was 8 times out of 36. Manny, Rochelle, and Peg race each other in karts. There are no other racers, and exactly one racer wins each race, no ties allowed. The following graph shows an incomplete probability model for who will win any given race. So we know that probabilities always have to add up to 100%, and 100% would be the same thing as 1. So we need to do 1 minus 0.35, 0.35, minus 0.25. And that's how we can figure out how much Rochelle is. So again, getting your calculator, we do 1 minus 0.35 minus 0.25, and we get 0.4. You go to a space alien, you visit Earth and abduct 97 chickens, 47 cows, and 77 humans. Then you randomly select one creature from your sample to experiment on. Each creature has an equal probability of getting selected. So this is very much like the first question we did. So we need to just get our calculator again. We got to find out the total. $221. So chicken would be 97 out of 221. Cow would be 47 out of 221. Human would be 77 out of 221. Okay, Anna, Irina, Evel, and Vlad are going on a road trip. The following table shows an incomplete probability model for who will be driving during a given kilometer. So this is again just like the one that we did earlier that had the fractions. Had the decimals, but now we have fractions. So first of all, we want to figure out how much is their total right now. So 1/8 plus 3/8 is 4/8 plus one more is 5/8. So that's 5/8. We know we have to add up to 1. So that would be 8 out of 8. Take away 5 out of 8 means it would be 3 out of 8. Okay, this one again is like the one we did again twice earlier. So we need to add up the rocks. So we grab our calculator. 58 plus 213 plus 522, 793. So sedimentary was 58 out of 793. Metamorphic was 213 out of 793. And finally, igneous is 522 out of 793. Justin, Cam, and Ben are playing a board game where exactly one player will win. Ben estimates that Justin has a 20% chance of winning each game, and Cam has a 50% chance of winning each game. What's the probability that Ben will win? So again, it has to add up to 100%. We already have 70% from Justin and Cam, so 100% minus 70% would be 30%. And this is like the ones we already did earlier again, so we have to add up So 13 plus 6 plus 18 is 37. So the probability of each of them again. So the cinder is 13 out of 37. The shield is 18 out of 37. And the stratovolcanoes are 6 out of 37. So hopefully this video helped you if you were struggling with probability models.